Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Tilda site. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and you will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Tilda. I'm in the Tilda dashboard. I'll show you where to paste your code. Select the site where you want to install the widget. Scroll down until you find your footer page and click on it. If you don't have a footer or a header page, make sure you create them and assign the pages as a header and footer in the site settings. Here you will place the elements you want to appear in every page, such as the navigation menu. So, to make sure the UserWay widget is visible across your site, you need to paste the code in your footer page. If you don't have a footer or a header page, make sure you create them and assign the pages as a header and footer in the site settings. In the footer page, click on More Blocks. In the left menu that appears, scroll all the way down until you see Other Settings. Then select the Embed HTML code block. When you place your cursor on top of the block, some options will appear. Move to the left and click on Content. Paste your unique code in the text field and then click on the Save and Close button above. You're all set. Now go ahead and publish your Tilda site to make sure your UserWay widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.